Welcome to Nubia Z18 has been pretty regular in leaks lately. The device was teased recently by Nubia CEO Ni Fei on his Weibo account. The teaser poster confirmed that the Z18 will be equipped with full-screen 3.0 design. The Nubia Z18 real machine has now appeared in a leaked picture, showing the device comes with the truly bezel-less display design. The top bezels and those at the sides are almost non-existent. However, we can't see the bottom bezel, but from the leaked schematics, we can tell that there is a considerable amount at the chin. Recent reports have revealed that the model number of the upcoming Nubia Z18 is an X606J. The same model number was recently found benchmarked on Masterloo, through which some of its key specs have been revealed in addition to its TENAA listing. The Nubia Z18 is expected to feature a notch design on its display similar to the Essential phone. The device, however, offers a higher screen-to-body ratio than what we have seen so far on recent notch display smartphones and even on previous Nubia models. The Z18 is also expected to feature a 5.99-inch display with an FHD Plus resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The device is powered by a Snapdragon 845 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM and 64GB storage on one model. There will be a higher model with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. It features a 3,350 mAh battery and runs on Android 8.0 Oreo. The Z18 is also expected to feature a dual-camera setup at the rear comprised of a 24-megapixel main sensor, and it has a selfie snapper of 8 megapixel. The phone also packs a rear fingerprint scanner.